Friends, as you see, this is the oil counter in my kitchen. We always use the standard cold pressed oil products. As you see, I use the sesame oil, cow ghee, as well as groundnut oil from standard cold pressed oil. What impresses me about these products are: number one, they are value for money. They give a good quality product at an affordable price. Number two is consistent quality. I have received the same consistent quality of products whenever I have ordered, time and again. Number three, free hassle free delivery. The products are delivered to my homestay in my Mumbai without any follow up in a very few days of time, and it is a real experience to receive the products online. Number four, easy ordering process. The To order this process, I simply have to log in to standard cold press oil website and log into my account and place the order. On and above, I get a discount every time I place an order. Therefore, I suggest these products to everyone. It's a really good product, and it's healthy for you, for your health also, and tasty as well. Thank you very much.